Are these weird money-making hacks online low-key genius? Or are we just getting sucked into the internet's craziest rabbit holes? Let me help you. Make sure to watch until the end as we're diving into a fascinating topic that's sure to pique your interest: the weirdest ways to make money online. In a world where traditional jobs are evolving, many people are turning to unconventional methods to boost their income. From selling unusual items to participating in quirky online challenges, the opportunities are as diverse as they are surprising. In this video, we'll explore some of the most bizarre and creative ways people are cashing in from the comfort of their homes. You'll hear stories of individuals who have turned their unique hobbies into profitable ventures, and we'll share tips on how you can get started with these unconventional money-making methods. Get ready to be inspired and maybe even a little amused as we uncover these hidden gems of online income. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or just curious about the strange world of online earnings, you're in the right place. So sit back, relax, and let's embark on this intriguing journey together. Selling unusual items. When it comes to making money online, selling unusual items can be a goldmine for those with an eye for the bizarre. Platforms like eBay and Etsy have become popular marketplaces for odd collectibles, allowing sellers to reach a global audience eager for unique finds. Whether it's vintage toys that evoke nostalgia or quirky art pieces that spark conversation, there's a thriving market for items that stand out from the crowd. Imagine stumbling upon a rare action figure from the 80s or a one-of-a-kind sculpture made from recycled materials. These items not only tell a story, but also attract buyers who appreciate the unusual. The key is to think creatively about what you can sell. Look around your home or explore local thrift shops and garage sales for hidden treasures that others might overlook. Don't be afraid to embrace the weird and wonderful. By tapping into niche markets and showcasing your unique items online, you can turn your passion for the peculiar into a profitable venture. So start brainstorming and get ready to list those unusual items that could just be the next big hit. Participating in online surveys. Did you know that taking part in unusual online surveys can actually generate some extra income? It's true. There are several websites that pay users for sharing their opinions on a variety of topics. While many surveys cover general consumer products, some delve into niche interests that cater to specific hobbies or lifestyles, making the experience more engaging and fun. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research offer opportunities to participate in surveys that might focus on anything from quirky pet products to the latest trends in gaming. These niche surveys not only pay well, but also allow you to express your unique interests and preferences. To maximize your earnings, consider signing up for multiple survey platforms to increase the number of opportunities available to you. Additionally, be sure to complete your profile accurately. This helps match you with surveys that align with your interests. Lastly, stay consistent and check for new surveys regularly, as many platforms reward users who are active participants. So, if you're looking for a simple way to earn some cash while sharing your thoughts, online surveys might just be the perfect fit. Renting out unused space. Have you ever thought about the potential of renting out unused spaces in your home? It's a fantastic way to generate extra income, and with the rise of platforms like Airbnb, unique property rentals have become more popular than ever. People are looking for distinctive venues for events or unique accommodations, and your unused space could be the perfect fit. Consider the possibilities. A cozy treehouse nestled in your backyard. a converted garage transformed into a chic studio, or even a spacious attic that can host creative workshops. These unusual spaces not only attract attention, but can also command higher rental prices due to their uniqueness. If you're thinking about renting out your space, take a moment to evaluate what you have to offer. Is there a quirky nook in your home that could be appealing to travelers or event planners? By listing your space on platforms like Airbnb or local rental sites, you can tap into a market eager for one-of-a-kind experiences. So, get creative and explore the rental opportunities right under your roof. You might be surprised at how much interest your space can generate. Creating and selling digital oddities. In today's digital age, there's a thriving market for quirky and unconventional digital products. If you have a knack for creativity, consider creating and selling digital oddities like unique art pieces, whimsical illustrations, or even hilarious memes. These products can resonate with niche audiences looking for something that stands out from the ordinary. Platforms like Gumroad provide an excellent avenue for selling your digital goods. You can easily set up a storefront to showcase your creations, whether it's a collection of bizarre digital stickers, printable art, or even custom designed social media graphics. The beauty of digital products is that they require no physical inventory, allowing you to reach customers worldwide with minimal overhead. Don't be afraid to let your imagination run wild. Think outside the box and develop unusual digital content that reflects your personality and interests. Whether it's a quirky ebook, a set of funny gifts, or even a digital zine, there's a market out there waiting for your unique creations. So, unleash your creativity and start exploring the exciting world of digital oddities today. Offering unique services. In a world where traditional jobs are evolving, offering unconventional services can be a lucrative way to generate income. Platforms like Fiverr have made it easier than ever for freelancers to showcase their unique skills and connect with clients looking for something out of the ordinary. Whether you have a quirky talent or a specialized knowledge, there's likely a market for it. Imagine offering services like pet psychic readings, where you tap into your intuition to connect with pets and their owners, or virtual tours of unusual locations, showcasing hidden gems in your city. These unique offerings not only attract attention, but also allow you to stand out in a crowded marketplace. The key is to leverage your individual skills and interests. Are you an expert in a niche hobby? Or do you have a talent for creating personalized experiences? By promoting your unconventional services, you can attract clients who are eager for something different. So, take a moment to think about what unique services you can offer and start exploring the exciting opportunities available on freelance platforms. Your creativity could lead to a rewarding income stream. In conclusion, as we wrap up our exploration of the weirdest ways to make money online, let's recap the key takeaways. We've discussed the potential of selling unusual items on platforms like eBay and Etsy, where unique collectibles can attract eager buyers. We also delved into the world of online surveys, highlighting how niche surveys can provide a fun way to earn extra cash. Renting out unused spaces, whether it's a quirky treehouse or a converted garage, offers another creative income stream. Additionally, we explored the market for digital oddities, encouraging you to create and sell unique digital products that reflect your personality. The main takeaway here is to think outside the box and embrace your creativity. There are countless opportunities waiting for you in the realm of unconventional money-making methods. So, don't hesitate to explore these options and see what resonates with you. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with friends. We have plenty more exciting content coming your way, and we can't wait to share it with you. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care